Here we have three equations to solve, and the objective of A and B is to try to get x's on the same side of the equal signs, because you've got an x on the left hand side, you've got an x on the right hand side, and that also happens in the second equation. So try and pause the video. The last one is a fraction where you've got a denominator and a numerator, and the objective is to try to get rid of that denominator first. So pause the video, give it a try, and then see if your solutions match mine. So here we go. I'm going to start with the first one. 3x minus 2 equals 3 minus 5x. All right, I'm going to just take this minus 5x, I'm going to transpose it across the other side, and I'm just going to put that minus 5x, because I'll choose the minus, that would become a plus 3x on the left. So it was minus 5x, now it's plus 5x on the left hand side, and we've only got a 3 left. And we've achieved our objective. 3x plus 5x is 8x. And now we can transpose the minus 2 across the other side to become plus 2. So 8x equals 5. And finally, we can take that times 8, transpose it to the other side to become divide 8. So we're left with x equals 5 over 8. All right, how'd you go? Part B. Part B is very similar. We've got 3. Oh, no, that's not a 3. We've got 3. 2x plus 1 equals negative 5 plus 4x. Now, I'm just going to apply the distributive law and first expand. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. And we've got a very similar situation to the previous question. I'm going to choose the smaller of the two. I'm going to take the plus 4x across to the other side to make it minus 4x. So 6x plus 3 minus 4x, and we've still got that negative 5. So 6x take 4x is 2x. Now we can take that plus 3 across the other side to be minus 3. Negative 5 minus 3. And we've got 2x equals negative 8. And finally, you can transpose that times 2 across the other side to be divide 2. So we've got x equals negative 8 divide 2. Therefore, x equals negative 4. Finally, part C, we've got this fraction, and if you've got a numerator and a denominator, that's good. One fraction, you can just take this whole denominator that's being divided on that side, so it would become multiply on the other side. So we've got 5x minus 3 equals 4 times x minus 1. And now we can expand, and we've got 5x minus 3 equals 4x minus 4, 4 times x and 4 times 1. And we've got the same situation as the first two, where I'm going to choose the smaller of the two. I'm going to choose the 4x. I'll take that over the other side to become minus 4x. So we've got 5x, take away 3, minus 4x. That's still got the negative 4. 5x, take away 4x is x. Now we'll take that minus 3 across the other side to become plus 3. Negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. Therefore, it's a good idea to substitute. So if we substitute 5/8 just to check, 3 times 5/8 minus 2. Does that equal 3 minus 5 times 5/8? Just to check. 15 over 8, take away 2, and 25 over 8. So 8 goes into 15. 1 remainder 7. Take away 2. That becomes negative an eighth. And 3 take 8 goes in 25. 3 times remainder 1. 3 take 3 and an eighth equals negative an eighth. So it's true. If x equals, check, that's x equals 5/8. So 5/8 is a solution for part A. Checking B, and we want to check x equals negative 4. In 3 times, we put a 2x plus 1. We replace the x with negative 4. And negative 5 plus 4 times x. X is negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. And negative 5 plus 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. And so negative 5 and negative 16 make negative 21. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. That's true for x equals negative 4. So x equals negative 4 is the correct solution. And finally, we want to check part C. We want to check that x is in fact negative 1. And so we put in the left-hand side 5 times negative 1 minus 3 on the numerator, negative 1 minus 1 on the denominator. Does that equal 4? Let's find out. Negative 5, take away negative 3 is negative 8. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. And yes, negative 8 divided by negative 2 does in fact equal positive 4. So that's true. Therefore, x equals negative 1 is the correct solution. All right, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.